So you're wondering which presentation to get. Well, that's a great question. I'll answer that and show you some ways to use them to grow your practice. First, let me tell you what needs to go into an effective seminar. If you're using a seminar to build your practice, then you need to have two goals. Number one, develop a deep awareness of the prospect's needs and then have a solution that's out there, just out of their reach. Many agents think they need to go into great detail about product knowledge. This leaves the prospects feeling confused and removes any chance of making the sale. This is a words and language business, not a knowledge business. My presentations aim to create a perfect balance of concise, targeted education and a desire to know more. There are two questions you need to answer before you're able to pick the right seminar for your prospects. First, how do you plan on using the slide deck? And second, who are your prospects? I'll help you answer these questions and provide a step-by-step set of instructions on how to use them to grow your practice. Now, contrary to popular belief, you do not want to get your foot in the door by being pitchy. If you're cold prospecting without targeting qualified clients, use the Maximizing Social Security Benefits seminar. It's very non-threatening. It's not a sales presentation. It's going to build credibility while leaving them wanting more. This seminar is great for presentations done at community centers, libraries, or other very low budget events. As you begin targeting qualified leads, you're going to want to use a seminar that covers all of the bases and makes a presentation for you. The Don't Worry, Retire Happy seminar slide deck will be your solution of choice in these situations. This presentation will help your prospects fully understand the risks in retirement and provide a solution that's right there in front of them. When you laser focus your targeting efforts on high-value clients and you're ready to meet with them, you'll want to use the Paychecks and Playchecks seminar slide deck. High-value clients already know the basics and they need to hear something they haven't heard before. This will set you apart from all the other advisors trying to get their attention. Now that you know which seminar will work best for your situation, it would be best to start practicing as soon as you can. Practicing the execution of your presentation will be the difference between closing deals and not closing deals. Now, all of these presentations have extra slides in them, and I did that on purpose because I know that you're going to give your seminars different than me. So I gave you plenty of opportunities to move the slides around. There's lots of choices that if you want to go towards life insurance or annuities or long-term care, wherever you want to go, these slide decks will give you the opportunity to do that. So go to tomhegna.com now and purchase a seminar that fits your needs best.